Okay, now in this video we're going to go through and start moving our targets. So let's set up our first function. So our function move target. There's no parameters to this. Now I'm going to check to see if my target is done moving. And if it's done moving, I'm going to set up a switch case statement and check for that random number that we had generated before. Now with that, if my case equals 0 to start with, I'm going to say if and set up a condition my target 1.y is greater than 580. And again, this is where our numbers are starting to come into play. I want my target 1.y minus equal 20. And then I'm going to break out of that condition. So my next case is basically going to be my number 1. And basically it's just going to be the same thing but have a different number. So basically what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to copy my case statement and just start pasting these down. So save a little typing. And now we're dealing with our target 2. And the number on this one was 160 or 610 that I had. Let's come down to the next one and paste. This would be case number 2. This would be my target number 3. And I had a 530 on that one. And again, negative 20. My next case be case number 3. That would be dealing with target number 4. And I had 500 for the height off of that one. And these are reaching the top height, not the bottom. So they've reached their maximum height. They're going to sit there for a second and start moving back down. So now on my case number 4, that's dealing with my target number 5. I had 525 set for the height on this one. Okay. Now on my case number 6, we're going to start dealing with the targets that are moving left and right or across the x-axis. So if my target 6, actually that's case number 5, target number 6, dot x is greater than negative 70, so it was off on the right hand side of the stage, and with a double ampersand, my x switch number 1 that's dealing with my first target is equal to false. What do I want to happen? I want my target number 6 dot x to minus equal 30. I'm going to move these a little bit faster since I have more space to cover across there. Else if my target number 6 dot x is less than what was the one on the right hand side of the stage, which was 860 for me, and my x switch number 1 equals true, then I want my target number 6 dot x to plus equal 30. So it starts moving to the right. Okay, now I'm going to break out of that. And now I can basically go through and copy this and start using it for the rest of mine. So case number 6 This is going to be my target number 7. We need switch number 2 because these are set up in arrays. And again, that's going to be a negative 70 and a 860. But now my target number 6 is over on the right hand side of the stage, so I'm going to change my trues and false. So basically setting the true and false is which side of the stage does it start on. So when we start out, it will start moving the correct direction. Okay, hopefully that's making sense. So coming down to my case number 7. This could be my target number 8. And basically all these numbers are going to be the same, yet when we go through, we're just going to change our true and false. This is going to be my switch number 3. And again, it's over on the other side of the stage, so I need false and true. So now the rest of them are on the other side of the stage, so I'm just going to copy my number 6 now. That way I have less to change. This could be my case number 8, my target number 9. And basically it's going to be set up the same, and we are using switch number 4. So not 24, but 4. Let's come down to our next case, case number 9. And these cases, again, are the random numbers. That's going to be my target number 10. So let's change all these, all the targets. And then this is going to be switch number 5. Okay, and then our last one, this is going to be my case number 10, and this is going to be my ship. So my UFO sitting out here. And space ship. Let's add my ship inside here. This is going to be my last switch, so switch number 6. Okay, that's going to be the end of our switch, and also the end of this if condition. So next we have another condition that we need to check while we are in here, and that is if my target timer is greater than count, what do I want to do? That means my done is equal to false. So I want to set this up to check to see, as long as my target timer is greater than my count, I'm not done with this yet. So, and our done is going to allow us to keep that target out there as long as we want. Okay, now in the next video we'll go through and finish this part up, and we'll set up the condition for if done is equal to false, what do we want to happen inside there. So we'll see you in the next video.